The speed apps are, I'm using it from October last year, and the notes are very crisp. The concepts beyond excellent, sir. The words cannot express this. The greatness with which you deliver the lectures, and the speed app was my sole app for preparation. If you have practiced the questions and listen to the lectures and you know the concepts, you can almost solve 100% of the paper from the speed app notes. This app is my sole companion for the preparations. I did not touch upon anything else.
So I bring in
So
all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Speed to Dr. Abu Fahad for scoring rank number 1 in AML and MCH CTVS in NEET session April 2026. Congratulations once again.
thank you so much, sir. Thank you. It is a feeling which cannot be described in words. Getting first rank, I didn't think I would ever be able to do it, but here I am. My-
You did it.
yeah, I did it. Yeah.
Yeah, you did it. And it's amazing and wonderful and a great achievement. So why CTVS? When did you start looking for towards CTVS?
I did my MBBS and my MS from Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Aligarh. And during my MS residency, I was posted for around 4 months in CTVS department. But yeah, there is much, people talk much about CTVS. There is negative thinking that this is a very hectic branch and the outcomes are poor and there is a lot of effort which everyone cannot put. So, but when I joined the department, I did all other postings also like neurosurgery, pediatric surgery. I I genuinely felt that this is the only branch which deserves, or which the effort that I will give in this branch, it is all worth it, because the patient outcome and how the patient, bypass surgery patient or a kid with tetralogy of Fallot, when he comes to the OPD and it's all fine and doing his normal routine job, that feeling is unmatched. So after MS only, I decided that I would do MCH in CTVS only.
Great. That's an I mean, definitely there's a wonderful branch. It's a king of surgery branch.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So no doubt, no doubt. And the feeling is great and the
Yeah,
satisfaction is amazing.
yeah, yeah,
So once you decided to do MCS CTVS, then what
yeah.
did you do? How did you start your preparation? What was
Uh,
the strategy behind your preparation? What all you did towards it?
Sir, actually, I was first apprehensive regarding the branch because everyone that I met told me that you should not take it, you should take some other branch. So first, I decided to do an SRship in my college only in CTVS to see whether it's worth it, to get my doubts cleared. So first, I'm doing, so for last 1 year I'm an SR in my institute, Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, in CTVS only. So after the first 6 months, I was pretty damn sure that this is the only brand that I'll take in MCH. So yeah, the SRship helped, and I started preparation because last year's July I'm doing preparation for last January. I gave the paper, sir. At the January session also I gave the paper, but my rank was 20. All India rank was 20. I was getting every college except for Delhi and PGI Chandigarh. So my parents, my wife, and my nana nani, everyone told me to give it another try, because when I gave the paper, I knew that my preparation was not up to the mark. Like 100%. I did not give my 100% actually. So I was getting a seat in different college, Ames, Jodhpur, Bhubaneswar, everywhere, Chitra, everywhere I was getting a seat. But there was not that satisfaction that I gave my 100%. There was not that satisfaction with me. So I decided to, with all the support of my family, I decided to give it another try, and here I am, sir, with the first rank.
Wow. It's a good decision and a great decision. And that decision will be remembered for your life.
Yeah, hopefully, sir. Yeah.
Fantastic. So can you share us the methodology of your preparation? How you
Uh,
prepared?
the speed apps are, I'm using it from October last year, and for 2 months I prepared for the January session. Then the November the paper happened. I prepared for 2 months for that, and the notes are very crisp. The concepts that you sir and Arun Kumar sir explain in the classes are beyond excellent, sir. The words cannot express this, the greatness with which you deliver the lectures. And so it is, the speed app was my sole app for preparation. And the questions also, sir, in January session, this time's paper was a little difficult. In January session, it was on the area side, so 100% of the questions were from the speed app. I was not prepared. That's why I didn't get the desired rank actually. But 100% of the questions were. But in this year also, this paper also, 80 to 90% questions were from the app, were from the questions. But if you are thorough with the notes, if you have read everything, the 10% questions that are left also you can do by elimination. If you have practiced the questions and listen to the lectures and you know the concepts, you can almost solve 100% of the paper from the speed app notes. So that this app is my sole companion for the preparation, sir. I did not touch upon anything else.
Amazing words, great words. Speed team will be very happy listening to the words. So you tell me, when you are writing this exam and working towards exam, what were you looking? We already got rank number 20 is a good rank. And what were you looking up on this for the preparation?
So
You didn't give 100%. You said you
yeah, yeah,
did not do 100%.
yeah.
What was that you were trying to do in this attempt?
The major thing that I changed in my preparation was I I made a pledge to myself that I'll not get those questions wrong which most of the people get correct. The common questions, the 60-70% of the paper, which is from the most common questions, and the questions that you have to get right, you cannot get it wrong. Those questions, if you get right with the preparation, with 3-4 months of preparation, I think anyone can get a rank one. If I can get it, anyone can get it, I think.
So what you are, my question was correct. I mean, I got part of an information there. But what is my question was,
Yeah.
doing one more attempt. I mean,
Mm.
are you aiming at rank one and doing
Yeah,
it?
yeah. I was actually aiming for only for two colleges, AIMS Delhi and PGI Chandigarh. So I had to get a rank of around 6-7 only. Then only I'll get these colleges. So yeah, my preparation was up to that level. I have prepared hard for the last 3 to 4 months. And the change I did was I watched the videos second time. I was more thorough. I made the notes more precisely, gave time to the notes, solved questions, and yeah, that was a difference. But because, sir, in the first attempt I knew what topics, what the kind of questions they were asking, what topics they were expecting me to know. So I prepared accordingly, and the result is here, sir.
No, my question was,
Yeah.
were you on looking for rank one?
Yeah. Actually, when the reality of the situation is, sir, that when I was preparing at night and when I was studying and all, I got a feeling that this time, matlab, this is different. My preparation level is different this time. So yeah, that thought crossed my mind definitely that can I get a rank one? You know, I was not like that. Rank one, I cannot be very sure. No one can be sure that they'll get rank one. But yeah, when during preparation, when I got the questions correct and I know I got the conceptual questions right, and so then I got a feeling that yeah, might be that this time might be I when I gave the exam also, sir, when I came out from the after getting the paper, when I searched because everyone searches, sir, the questions, they remember what questions are asked. They search on Google, Chat GPT, and all. So I knew that the paper has been good. I will definitely be in the top five. Matlab, it was an inherent feeling. So yeah, rank one after giving the paper, I was not sure, but I had a feeling that this is possible.
No, my question was, were you working and visualizing rank one?
Aha. Rank one. I was definitely visualizing the top five, I would say, and I was giving my 100%, knowing that see, I prepared, knowing that this is my 100%. I cannot do more than this. This is my 100%. rank is a different thing, sir. I never actually I never thought that I would get a rank one, but my effort was this time 100%,
Okay, fair enough.
and and is that paid off?
Indirectly or directly, if your
Yeah.
preparation is 100%,
Yes.
the exam
If efforts and yes, sir.
the exam is only 75%. So it will be beyond
Yeah.
because the
It's,
people who are watching this video
yeah.
will try to understand, yes,
Yeah.
about the mindset behind this preparation of this exam. Because these exams are all about top ranks. This
Yeah. Yeah.
exam is about, the game is about rank one.
Yeah. Definitely. Definitely.
Rank one
So,
misses rank two misses rank three.
yeah. Yeah.
The
Definitely.
chapter closes with that.
Definitely. Definitely,
So
sir.
this game people play with that kind of a mindset, the highly
Yeah.
positive mindset. So when
Yeah.
your preparation that you felt okay, I gave 100%. That means this 100% what gives the top rank.
Yeah, 100%. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was satisfied with my preparation. This has never happened before in my career. I have given UG and PG and all. I have never been 100% satisfied with my preparation. This time I was. So, but I didn't think about the rank. Seriously, I was aiming for the top five. I gave my 100%. The preparation was good, and I achieved rank one.
So eventually it happened.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the message is this for all those students who are watching this video from Abu. This is the message. If you could give 100% for that given exam for what you wanted,
Definitely.
the top rank reaches you automatically.
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely.
Yes.
Definitely.
So that is the message that to
Yeah.
be taken up. So he said one more word that I was satisfied with this preparation. I am happy about this preparation for this exam.
Yeah.
And that's what he meant about 100%. And that's satisfaction for me, what I need to give for the exam. If I am satisfied and happy, exam also gives back to in that way
Yeah.
of a top
Yeah.
rank. Very good. I'm very, very happy. I'm just trying to bring out
Yeah.
what's there inside. So that's the
Yeah.
reason I was asking the same question again and again.
Yeah.
So, so very good. I'm very, very happy. So what is the message that you want to give? And before that, number of questions you attempted in this exam.
I attempted 78 questions, or two questions I was not, I didn't have a clue, so I left them, and the rest 78 I attempted, sir.
Are there any chance by biostatistics of these two questions?
There were one or two questions from biostat. There was a PCOT evidence of question, level of evidence question. The answer was PCOT. I read it somewhere during my preparation, so I got it right. And biostats, I think one more question was there. I don't exactly remember, but two questions for biostat. The paper on that was on the tougher side, sir. Definitely, definitely, it was on the tougher side because I gave the January session names also, so I knew that this was tough.
Okay, what is that one message that you want to give to the future aspirants of MCH CTVS?
For CTVS, I think that people have a very negative, give you very negative reviews regarding this branch, but the reward is unmatched. You cannot get outcomes in any other field like you get in CTVS. So it is worth the effort, worth the hard work if you are prepared, and it is a very fruitful branch. I think I have done 1 year SRship non-acad in my college, and definitely, sir, it is the best branch for me. There's no doubt.
Great, great, great. And time to thank and whom all you wish to thank that they helped you
Yeah.
with you in day one till date in your career.
First of all, sir, thanks to the Almighty and my professors in my college. I'm doing SRship. Professor Azam Haseen sir, Dr. Shamail sir, Dr. Amir sir. They constantly supported me and corrected me and gave me training and gave me relaxation from duties when I started preparing from the exam. So that is, I'm very grateful to them. My parents, definitely, because I'm sitting here giving this interview, achieved rank one, all because of their support. My wife, who has always pushed me, sir, to get a better rank. You and my sister, my nana and nani for their prayers, and everyone behind me. I'm sitting here. this rank one is not just mine. There are people behind me that have supported me and helped me and stood by me. That's why I got a rank one. I was a very mediocre student. Yeah, but the support and faith that the people showed in me paid off. You know.
Great. Truly inspiring. Full of
Thank you.
gratitude. Full of gratitude. I once again wish you all the best and all the success for a great and amazing and a commendable and a wonderful career as a
Thank you so much, sir. Thank
surgeon.
you so much.
God bless you and wish you with all that you wanted. And He has already given you the topmost, and still He will give you a lot for passion, energy, and enthusiasm that you have for this branch. Best wishes to you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.